Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to troubleshoot your audio issues on your Windows 10 PC. This default speaker is not working properly and getting noises, so I'm going to fix. So on your Windows PC, search for troubleshoot settings. Here right under recommended troubleshooting, you can see this get up and running. You can see this playing audio. So click on this playing audio. Here run the troubleshooter. So it's detecting the problems. So these devices, right, these speakers, I am having problem. If you have any problem with other devices, just click on that and fix it for next step. Detecting problems. Turn off sound effects and enhancements. Turning off audio enhancements might improve sound quality. So yes, open audio enhancements. So under general, right, just click on this properties. So that will open another pop-up. Go to driver. Here you need to update driver. Update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? If you have local copy, just browse your computer and install the software. As I connected internet, I am going to do it online. So search automatically for updated driver software. Click on that. Searching online for drivers. Super cool. Now it's downloading the drivers. So I think I have some issues on my audio device, so it is getting updated with the drivers. Even you can test this, play test sounds. See, the sound is not good. So going back, waiting to downloading the drivers. It's downloaded. Installing drivers. Super cool. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Restart is required. So Windows has finished installing the drivers for this device. So click and close. You have to restart your computer, then your issue will be fixed. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in the comments. Thank you. Bye.